Hey kids, welcome to XYZ Kids Club. This video is about guess the words. Before getting to the video, please do subscribe our channel. Your first quiz. Guess the bird. Yes, it's a crow. Next one. Good job, it's a parrot. Next one. Bird with the long feathers. Yes, it's a macaw. Next bird. Good job, it's a dove. Next bird. Absolutely, kids. You're right. It's a peacock. Next one. A bird with the strong nails. Yes, it's an eagle. Next one. It likes to peck the trees. Yes, it's a woodpecker. Next bird. Yes, it's a sparrow. Next one. A bird with pink in color. Yes, it's a flamingo. Next one. You're right, it's a kingfisher. Next online. Great, it's a crane. Next bird. Hummingbird. Next bird. Yes, it's a myna. Next bird. Bird with a long, strong beak. Yes, it's a toucan. Next one. Yes, it's a hornbill. Next one. Great effort. It's an ostrich. Next bird. You're right, it's a bat. Next bird. Yes, it's an owl.
Like the video and subscribe.